Okay guys, we got the F150 out here. We're going to be putting a steering stabilizer on. So here's everything you get with rough country steering stabilizer. Alright, so it looks like they give you two different types of U-bolts. One's a little bigger. So that one's a little wide. This one fits on there snug. That's probably the one we're going to be using. Alright, so that bracket's on. I want to keep everything loose so it's all together. So now we're going to put these brackets on here. Looks like we're going to be using these two bolts here, the longer ones. And they're going to go right up over this frame rail here. Alright, so there's that bracket there, installed over the frame rail. Alright, there's everything installed loosely. So we'll check the steering and tighten everything down. So what I ended up doing is swapping this bracket around, because with the wheels turned all the way to the right, there just wasn't enough strut. So take a look at this, see if that works. There it is, guys. Got everything tightened down. Just made sure we could turn all the way right and all the way left with the strut full swing. Everything's good, nice and tight. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.